Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are talking about the Dollar General clearance event that will be taking place starting on Friday the 29th, Saturday the 30th, Sunday the 31st, and then Monday the 1st. So those 4 days. And it's a 4-day event where items in the clearance section will have an additional 50% off with digital coupons. We have some freebies and cheapies, and that's what we're exploring in this video. I recommend for your homework to go and scout your store to see the inventory that they may or may not have. Most importantly, if you have a really good attitude that I can do this, you're probably going to have a lot of success. If you want to walk in here with excuses, I don't know what I'm doing, my store has nothing, the cashiers are awful, then nothing will ever work for you. But if you try, it gets a lot easier. And in this video, we're looking at visuals and digital coupons, giving you basically the framework on how to have a lot of success. Remember, the first day, even though items might have a clearance sticker, they might not ring up correctly. So you really have to pay attention and, of course, be patient and obviously make this happen. When you can get items at 50% off with digital coupons, you're having some tremendous savings, and that's what it's all about. And a lot of us really love to go hard with this clearance event because the freebies are quite fantastic, let's be honest. As we get closer to the 29th, there will be signage at your store. It'll either be 50 or 70% off. The majority of us will have a 50 store, so that's the math we're going to be looking at for this video. And in the app, it's going to change around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning Eastern on the 29th, these prices. Right now, everything is probably still full price. At your store, you're also going to be looking for these gray totes that may have penny items. I think there was a penny list of like 300 plus. I made a couple videos where I was scoring pennies. And if they bring them out in these totes, it's impossible for an employee to know every single item on the list. You might score big with the pennies looking for them in these specific gray totes. And lots of stores rurally keep all the clearance stuff in these totes. They put them in the back. During the clearance event, they bring them out in the front. Some stores, this might not be the practice, but it is in rural Michigan. An example of a penny item is this Cloralen, which is a bleach spray cleanser. And I think this is very similar to Clorox, even though it has a different name, and it is just as potent, very good bleach smell as well. So it's a penny. A lot of us were scoring it, and it might be in those totes. Here's the barcode. So if you scan it and it's 0.00 for you, while they get all the clearance stuff ready, because a lot of stores do tables or they'll just put out those totes. I mean, you're going to want to be on the lookout for these sort of items. If it shows up like this, it'll be a penny at the register and they have to sell it to you. And you might want to look at my last 2 videos on the various new penny items that were surprised, because I'm pretty sure they're going to be part of the clearance event, or you're going to find them. And just to show you, like, this stuff is no joke. It really does good cleaning. I cleaned a couple patio chairs, and like, look at that paper towel. I mean, the Cloralen is spectacular. Time for a really quick pop quiz. So on Friday the 29th, if you have a $1 item in the clearance section, it's going to be 50 cents. And you can scan it in the app. It is that easy. And it's about 3 or 4 in the morning Eastern when the change happens in the app. You can't do early activation the Thursday before. Has to be that Friday. Let's get right into it. The first 2 items are free and a 25-cent moneymaker with a cashback on Glade products. If it is still, in fact, in the app on Friday, you'll be able to get these 2 counts of the Mighty Mango for a moneymaker, or these cans of the spray for a moneymaker. And this one is called Exotic Tropical Blossom, that specific one, after the cashback. And then just to show you, here's the cashback. And it is $250 back with a limit of up to 5 times. So you would activate this, and then you would have the cashback on your account to use on a future purchase. And now we have this Axe Phoenix deodorant. I recommend that any Axe or Dove product, there's a 7 off 2, 5 off 2, and $2 digital. Load all 3. You might get some free or cheap items. Now, even though this is like $5 and some change for two of them, we have a 7 off too, so it's going to make both of them free. Unfortunately, guys, there is no more overage. All the stores around me are updated, so no overage, but just a free item. The coupon should reduce down to cost. You're not going to get overage. They got rid of that last spring over here. The next item that's going to be really cheap at 75 cents is this Febreze Unstoppable Touch. It's a fabric spray in Paradise. I think that's a discontinued scent, Paradise. And we have a $1.50 digital coupon. So not quite free, but 75 cents for one of these sprays. It's a very good price point because I think they're usually upwards of like $5, but this is the one that you're going to want to load. And you're also going to want to do this by Saturday as the coupon expires on the 30th. And now we're just going to blast through some products. If coupons appear as the week marches on, or if there's IBOTTA rebates, you're going to have to load those. I'm not going to go through every single one. Soft soap, these little hand soaps for $2 or for $1.10, not a bad price point. Fabuloso Complete for $2.02. There's also a penny Fabuloso, so if they just pull out those totes and there's a whole bunch of cleaners, that might be your opportunity to get some penny Fabuloso. This Pantene, I would love to see a digital coupon for that. And then I'm just going to show you a couple air care items. Unfortunately, no digitals, but as the week marches on, coupons might populate, making some of these items really cheap, if not free. Let's hope they are free. And this next one, we have 2 toothpastes for $1.07 each, and it is the Colgate Total, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So if you wanted to, put this in a 5 off 25 basket on Saturday, that wouldn't be too bad. We also have a lot of medications that are fairly new. Of course, if there are some more coupons to go with, it would make it great. There's $1 cash back on this one, so it would make it $2.82 as well. And I think the limit for that is up to $1. And how a cashback works is you buy it and then you get the $1 back post, kind of like IBOTTA, and then you can scan your Dollar General account to get the cash back on a future purchase. So that's how it works. Keto Slim. These cough drops, sorry guys, my photography was really bad. The bags were so curved it was impossible to see. It'd be $1 and change for the Halls and very cheap Ludens. If there's a cashback for that one, I know there was. Possible freebies. Check IBOTTA and your DG Cash. And we have a $1 cashback with a limit of up to 1 for this 50 count of the U by Kotex liners. These liners are really fantastic as well. Limit of 1. I've tried them before, 10 out of 10 for this specific product. And then these cute little 3 counts of the chapstick, all summery vibes for $1.17. I would definitely throw these into a 5 off 25 on Saturday. We have the Dove Invigorating Body Wash, aloe and eucalyptus oil for $2.80. Would love to see a digital coupon for that. And everybody's favorite, the Lysol Concentrate. A lot of you use this as a toilet bowl cleaner. You told me in the last video. $1.57 for these Lysol wipes if you can find them. A little harder to find, but some stores around me still have quite a few. And the Mr. Clean, it's like a grip for your magic erasers for $1.05. Many clearance sections have that. This one, no coupon yet. $6.52. I know a lot of accounts have like a spend 30 on P&G, get back 8, and I know the following products are part of it. So if you wanted to do a $30 basket, possibly that could be something. The Scentiva for $4.27. I would love to see a digital coupon for that one. These are the larger packages. This little scrub Scotch Brite, it's for a brush cleaner, for $1.20. Not bad. This one's weird. It's in the clearance section. It's a spray for $4, although the tag says $7.20, so I don't fully understand that. We have a 75-cent cashback for these drop-ins by Scrubbing Bubbles, make them $1.25, and the limit for that's up to 5 times, so in theory you can grab up to 5. And then we have these magic erasers, always nice, for $3. I would love to see a digital coupon for this one. And we have the JCPenney Dollar General brand True Living, $1.12 for two of these magic erasers, and the Mr. Clean for $1.80. I would also love to see a digital coupon. But as the week marches on, we have to keep checking the app for cashbacks and digital coupons to try and make some deals happen. Let me know in the comments down below, will you be shopping the Dollar General clearance event? And if you missed this one, the next one will be on Columbus Day weekend in October. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.